This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Rob Napier. Embrace a low-maintenance lifestyle in Palm Bay's welcoming community. This condo suits first-time buyers, downsizers, or investors. Located in Palm Bay, enjoy easy access to shopping, dining, schools, and parks. Turkey Creek Sanctuary offers outdoor activities. Inside, find a bright open-concept living space with ample light. The kitchen impresses with modern appliances and storage, including a washer/dryer. 2 bedrooms, one with an ensuite, offer versatility. Enjoy a community pool and common areas. 2 parking spaces ensure convenience. Ideal for comfort, convenience, and community living. Discover the perfect blend of modern living and community charm in this well-maintained condo. For more information,